Does this scene sound familiar to you? Did you know snoring can reach 93 decibels? That's louder than a chainsaw, and it's killing your relationships. Snoring isn't just annoying, it's a symptom of oxygen deprivation. Your body is literally fighting for air every single night, and it's destroying your health and your partner's sleep. But here's what doctors don't tell you: 90% of snoring cases can be eliminated without surgery. Simple throat exercises, sleep positioning, and specific lifestyle changes can stop snoring completely. This comprehensive guide reveals 7 proven techniques that have helped thousands stop snoring naturally. From throat training exercises to the snoring ball method that works in just 3 weeks. Don't let another night destroy your relationship. Get the complete Stop Snoring Forever guide now, link in bio. Your partner will thank you. Stop snoring tonight. Your health depends on it.